Alright. Big tornado on the ground is breaking our radars currently. Oh my god, look at that rotation. It's currently PDS. Oh my god. What is this thing hitting? Oh my god. It's breaking everything currently, guys. If you're on the path, please take shelter. Oh my god, it keeps breaking my CC. That tornado is so strong, it's literally making this radar set go nuts. If you're in Chattanooga or Noga, take shelter. If you're in Faxon, take shelter, as there is very large, dangerous tornado on the ground. If you're on the path, please take shelter. This is in Oklahoma.
I can only imagine what this would be doing if it was in a densely populated region like 27 or 26, like I said yesterday. Days are just going by so fast.
But it's rotating 177 miles per hour, so if you're in the path, please take shelter. I'll upload this right now.